Today's presentation will be on the merger of service-oriented architecture, cloud, and API economy in the current trend of technological deployment. Many of the large organizations are utilizing these concepts to deploy many of their applications in order to go to market much quicker. To start off, in the past, solutions were all based on-premise with huge mainframe servers that host services to the organization's customers. Both internal and external users make use of applications deployed on these mainframes. For example, if the organization is an apparel company, they could be allowing many of the customers to purchase from their online store. The services offered are stored in-house, and the organization has to handle the full stack of the solution from hardware to software. Many of these applications are developed based on service-oriented architecture, where services are broken down into small, distinct processes. With the huge advantages of cloud computing, many enterprises are beginning to shift certain segments of their infrastructure into the cloud. In fact, there are organizations who have shifted their entire enterprise infrastructure into the cloud. Cloud computing offers pay-as-you-go model, and organizations do not have to expend high capital in purchasing expensive hardware. Furthermore, the resources from the applications can be scaled very quickly, both up and down, from clicks of buttons to meet demand. Ultimately, these organizations who are non-tech centric can finally focus their efforts in developing their applications or services without having to be constantly hassled with infrastructure maintenance, because the infrastructure is now taken care of by the cloud provider. This ultimately led to application programming interfaces. Certain portions of the services offered by these organizations are being exposed in order to develop web and mobile applications. This allows the organization to develop different types of applications much faster by reusing services that are already available on their cloud. This enhances speed to market, omni-channel development, and helps organizations become more efficient in reaching out to their customers, and at the same time, reacting quickly to market changes. In order to manage so many applications and so many channels, both internally and externally, we will need a dashboard view of the APIs. The dashboard view enables the organization to understand exactly which application requires more enhancement to engage with their customers. At the same time, the dashboard view ensures that customers have a consistent experience through the channels and that there are no discrepancies between the channels in which is used to engage with the organization. To conclude, there is an upward trend of exposing more and more APIs to the public. This is in response to customers interacting through multiple channels with the organization. Hence, companies need to understand exactly how the services are being utilized and to track and enhance those services.